The eggs were getting ready to hatch, and tiny holes had started appearing in the shells. One by one, the chicks began breaking their way out. One little chick had a difficult time coming out of its shell, but thankfully, this little chick survived and joined the other chicks. After hatching, I gave them glucose water as their first drink. From 9 eggs, 6 native chicks hatched successfully. For the first month, I raised these chicks at home with a simple feeding routine. Their main feed was starter feed, which I kept available for them. Throughout the day, I used around 5.2 kilograms of starter feed during this period. But the chicks did not eat all of it. Whatever was left each day was given to my adult chickens. Along with starter feed, I also gave them termites as a natural protein source. I also gave them black soldier fly larvae as another natural source of protein. Fresh green leaves were also included in their diet. I usually start giving cooked rice after 25 days, but I didn't give cooked rice to this batch because of the rainy weather. After 1 month, all 6 chicks had grown well and were ready for sale. Since they had completed 1 month, I decided to sell them. I got a total of 750 rupees for all 6 chicks. The starter feed costs around 50 rupees per kilogram. 5.2 kilograms would be about 260 rupees. But since some of this feed was also given to my adult chickens, the actual feed cost for these 6 chicks was lower. For me, raising chickens is not just a hobby, it's also a simple way to earn a little extra income from something we enjoy doing. Even on a small scale, chicken farming can be a useful and rewarding hobby.